The easiest and simplest way to make liquid soap at home is by using washing machine. Hi guys, come let me show you guys how I made 15 liters of liquid soap by using washing machine with 1,000 naira product. Yeah, so this is me adding all my products together inside the washing machine to allow the thing to turn very well. So when you finish adding your caustic soda and the nitrogen together in the washing machine, you allow the thing to mix very well. You allow the thing to turn very well. So after that, in another bowl, you add a small water, then dissolve your SLS, your soda ash, and in fact you dissolve the remaining powder products that you're using for the liquid soap. You dissolve them and allow them to dissolve very well, so the thing will not give your products lumps. So this is me checking if the thing have dissolved very well and it's quite okay. It's now smooth for me to add inside the main ingredient in the washing machine. Then after adding this, you allow the thing to turn very well for a long time before adding your Texapon, your liquid, in fact your liquid products. Before adding them inside the washing machine, you have to allow this first set to marry each other to turn very well. Then you start adding. This is when you're trying to add the whole liquid product like Texapon, what's it called, safe, foam roaster, and the rest of the fame, So after adding everything, you allow the thing to mix again, like to mix very well again for about 15 minutes. Then you add your color and your perfume. First you add your perfume first before the color. So let me allow you guys to watch and see what is happening. All right.
Let's take our waist a little bit